Hey everyone, my name is Alex Branding. We're going over the $100 million leads book by Alex Hormozi, and we are diving in and going over lead getters. Yesterday, I talked about the various types of lead getters. Oh, here we go. So we have customers, affiliates, employees, and agencies. And wow, we got a lot of positive feedback from yesterday's video. If you have not watched it yet, you should go ahead and watch that video because we are building on that with this visual demonstration of how it works with lead getters. So this is a graphic pulled directly from Alex's book. And there's my note there on the side. Do not learn how, find the who that can help you find leads. You want to build an army. So here's a fun visual representation. So you get leads. You're working hard, you're creating content, you're running ads, etc. You're getting leads. So you're getting them in groups of 100. Let's say it's 100 a day, right? 100 a week. 100 a week, 100 a month, whatever that looks like to you, right? Whatever scale you're at. Then you get a lead getter. Now you're getting 100 and they're getting 100, right? Now the lead getter gets leads. So now every day you're doing all your hard work. You have your systems set up. You have your buckets of leads that are coming in. You're getting 100 a month. Then your lead getter is getting 100 a month. So now let's say you have 3 lead getters and they're expected to get, it's an agency and they're expected to get 100 leads a month. So now they're all working. Let's say something happens to you. God forbid you get sick. You can't do work. Well, guess what? You still have 3 lead getters bringing you in 100 leads per month each. And they're generating enough leads for your team so that you not only stay in business, but you grow in business. And every single month you get bigger and bigger and bigger. This is the idea behind lead getters, finding the people that will go out there and actually bring you leads on a regular basis. So what does that look like? Well, we talked about it yesterday. That could be an affiliate, that could be an employee, that could be an agency. Typically, customers aren't going to give you that many leads all at once, but it's good to empower the people that you're bringing in so that they know who you're looking for and how to set up these appointments for them to send their friends over to you. So here's the big takeaway from today. You get a lead getter, great. Don't stop. Continue to serve and nurture that lead getter and then go find another one. All right. And then go find another one. Just continue building relationships with these people that are going out and getting you leads for your business. You need to do the hard work to get leads yourself. You need to be a self-generating lead machine, but you also need to learn how to find people who can go and get those leads for you so that you build an army of people over time and you slowly but surely build it up so that you have a business that's generating $100 million worth of leads. Subscribe right now. Join me tomorrow. We're going to continue the conversation going over Alex Hormozi's book, $100 million Leads, where I break down how to use it in your insurance business. Hey, what's up, everyone? It is Alex Branding here. Thank you for watching. I would love to connect with you. Please follow me on your favorite social media platform. My username is Alex Branding, and you should definitely get Alex Hormozi's book. Go to acquisition.com/books. Grab the $100 million leads and all the other stuff he offers. He is a fantastic author and probably one of the best in the marketing game right now. So follow him, buy his stuff, and I will see you tomorrow. Go ahead and subscribe.